Charlie, what they happen today? Then the rain won't spoil the movement, but Charlie Vim still there. It be Wednesday. Where has to be Wednesday? You know, say only one thing go feel happen for the city inside. We will bring everybody to a standstill. So say football made in Ghana go feel happen. Today, Charlie, the issues chow. They say Thomas Partey, he left Ghana all the way go catch Arsenal. Charlie, the last time at the Kai say Ghana get some high-profile transfer where he make people them I get like this. It be like it be Michael Essien. Those days, I they tell you, say, Charlie, ask Michael Essien sign for Chelsea. You know, we say Ghana here, the African continent, or he win more fans give Chelsea fans. So right now, it be like Arsenal too, them a fan base, they come make Bola small. But I they hear say Arsenal fans, they talk say, right now, no space not there again. If they you know be Arsenal fan before, right now, Charlie, your time pass. Nothing they go fit do for you. Victorian Adebayo, you they can say then that guy they score more serious goals for the Ghana Premier League inside. Yeah, Charlie, your man right now into Charlie, they butter in bread. So he did Denmark right now, they go sport there. But they can say that Interlice get some Danish technical director like that. It be like then it be strategic positioning way they take do that thing. Where Charlie Black Stars jerseys drop. Right now the strategy be say you for go market and they share and they dash the jerseys on for cans, they dash on for Agboglusi and things. So that's where they go on. The jerseys drop. We go hear how you they feel about the jersey. Me, Charlie, some way for me, some way. Charlie, the jersey they say some kente and things. Every time we they try put some cultural things for inside. Some people like them, some people too don't like them. I want to hear how you people they feel about that jersey. But we go talk about all those things before on this show today. So make we take some small break. When we come back, I go bring my guest into the studio and then football made in Ghana. Charlie, I bet you know how we do them. Charlie, this be football made in Ghana. It be me say you pull wait we. Today they say football made in Ghana, but so your man he say Charlie today they go break the rules. It go break the rules. I don't know say if they sign player like 2 days ago, they fit do custom jersey in like 24 hours. Yeah, that be how the action day right now because Daniel Cranston he pick in own mind. He say Charlie, he be Manchester United guy. He go detour for Manchester City small as United. They do like the performances not they be. Right now, Thomas Partey go Arsenal. They wear Arsenal jersey, they wear Arsenal boxers, they wear Arsenal socks and things all around the place. We don't know if it be for today or your man truly go join us now. But Charlie, DK, no, you do or make the people see you. Hey, if it's so, no, if I show them, I beg you. No, you be hard guy.
Thomas.
You be hard guy.
Thomas.
Saliba,
Thomas.
No, you sport it.
Thomas.
No, you sport it.
Thomas.
No, but Charlie, this one, if you say you defect again, you take detour again, you be temporary fan or like what they go on.
Ben, cool down. What them born me for?
Oh, no be Abokobi.
You know be Ghana.
Yeah, be Ghana.
I'm Ghanaian first before anything else. This one be my brother.
Oh, but when you be Ghanaian
so
first,
I support my brother first before anybody else.
No, but if you cool down for me. When you be Ghanaian, you know say Albert Adoma to go QPR.
Right now,
so why
I be
you don't get
Arsenal
QPR
fan.
jersey?
I be Crystal Palace fan. I be Leicester City fan.
Hey.
I be Newcastle fan. I be Ajax fan. I be QPR fan. I be Swansea City fan. Charlie, the list they go.
You know what I go suggest for you?
What's up?
Wanna Taylor way did the back no bogum. Make you do tie and dye jersey or pat.
Make it
jersey.
Make it mix them all.
Yeah, if you mix the jerseys over, just so you go feel rep and better. Because that be how the situation make
Proper
right now.
one.
So it be like we not get upset. But Charlie, what they go on?
Charlie, see, this weekend, nobody eye gets past me.
I see.
My eye get.
No, it be serious.
No, this be big. It be serious thing.
Charlie, make I tell you, as I they sit the microphone in back the deadline day or you know say Sami Ziga they come out the studio, they come there. As I they see your man in face, your man tension bam like it be make the move go after. What is it? No, this transfer business be serious
Charlie,
business.
be serious.
Like at that time or then me. My mind no process the thing better.
You don't finish.
My mind no process the thing better.
It happen, but you not really sure.
I don't know.
You know, like, whack you like that.
Wait, small time I go pinch myself. So I say, so party the go Arsenal through.
Charlie.
So we do like it no go. Arsenal do like they no go spend the money. They no go buy the guy.
Charlie,
they buy the guy.
Charlie, this be hardness.
No,
it be very. I'm Ghanaian first before anything else.
No, you sport it. You sport it.
Thomas.
That be the whole agenda. But today the agenda plenty. The agenda plenty. Before we even go talk about Thomas and like all the money, the big contract and everything they go on, we first start from down here. We ask we they start from down here. some guy be in the studio inside right now, where he could join me on set in the next couple of minutes. That guy, I'll make people know say, see, when they say Ghana Premier League, the people they chill the Ghana Premier League, it be this guy. Cause in the day before the day with some team, they did some resorts, Charlie Beach Resort.
Charlie, it be money ways.
You know,
it be money ways.
And you know, say,
oh Charlie,
where that place? They say when you go play Ghana Premier League game, you yourself, you not go like come back. They say Charlie, those days when away teams go that side,
they go sort him.
When they see the hotel, where they see the facility, they say, damn man,
oh damn man.
No, we don't go again because Charlie, they were regular life, no day.
I don't want to go back.
Charlie, so that's where they go.
No, it's
right now, you say Charlie. Bigger things are gone, so they move on from that side. Just he run himself 1 or 2, but he be Ghana football guru. He be hard guy. So Charlie, Eric Alagi, the sports journalist, Charlie boss, I bet come through for me.
No, it be too much. It be too much. If I see I'm not there, excited.
No, he be hard guy.
If I see I'm not there, excited.
He be the original hard guy. So,
Charlie.
He enter there. He go see some swag stuff. He go take enter.
Charlie. That's you people.
No,
what happened?
No, but you be money. As he say,
before
the last. Oh yeah, before just I don't say
right now. Them want to move. Me be Thomas.
No. See, right now, no. Me my identity lost more. Then before that I be Kotoko fan. But Charlie, the club they worry me. I don't like club where they buy like 60 players one season.
Them they buy still.
Charlie, where I see say some of people will be right now. Them are eye red. Right now they put structures in place. Since no be 100%, but it be so. And they say, I go see how the balance they Charlie also.
Charlie cool, man.
So you look your cheeks all big bolide
because of late. I just do Adidas. You know,
that's the money. The investments they be, the investments they grow. It be.
Charlie, the money is working
football,
for you,
but on a more different level. We come down to the lower level, make we come do things.
Hey,
Charlie,
he serve this.
But we go run things. We want to show people how the game day. We go run things for you. When I go see.
So, Charlie, make we talk some Ghana Premier League transfer matter. Make us start with you, Eric. They say Charlie Victorien Adebayo, he go come out for Denmark. The team they call them HB Kogi. That be where your man come out for right now. Yeah, Charlie. You go see for your screen talk right now. Adebayo, I get Charlie. He say no, it be. Well, as I hear say the move happen now, I say, hey. Internalize with sharp people. That's why they bring them a Danish technical director, make it come there within the team. So say it will fit, create some channel for them, make they take players, they go there back. But I mean, for your side, how you see this transfer?
Well, then it be good move. You see, the problem is say the football where they play for here. It be every Ghanaian player in dream say go move, go Europe.
That be true.
Yeah. And Allies be one particular club where if you watch them a business modeler. Them no get interest in the league. You know, be about 3 points. For them, it be about strictly football business. So if you watch HB Kogi very well, them a model check like Norgerland, then Right to Dream.
Yeah.
Them are partners for America, they own that club for Denmark.
Yeah.
So check, right? Them get about 4 players in that team. Adebayo be about the 4th or 5th player. The last one was Frank Asinki, who went about a month ago, the centre back. Now Adebayo to join. So what them they do be say, Allies go produce the players here.
Go ship go there.
Ship them go HB Kogi. Then as them they play, bigger clubs go see them. Then they go come for them. This be what we they expect say we go see one of bigger brands. Hats of folk them Kotoko they do. But them they here be so noise.
Some people say they say the day in some agreement to some Premier League club it be 90% complete. It be like it's still the load. It left 10% make it load finish. It not load
we
finish.
See some before. As we see, waiting happen. We see some Kotoko then Sunderland. We see some as that administration come out those way them come because them no know what partnership fee bring. Them put them into the trash can. You see that thing? So them fee sign them. Yes. For now, them fee get benefits. But you go ask yourself, say, for how long them go they in charge of that club? Once them come out, some different people will come away, they just go come bundle the whole thing, then go put them inside the dustbin. You see, but what Allies they do, they show clearly say you want to do football business, you for learn 1 or 2 things from them.
Partnerships, one of the most important.
Them know they take money, carry them go. In maybe, I don't know them a percentage value, But you go see say if Adebayo hit top form, where some big club for Europe can buy him, like say some 1 million.
Then they get them a percentage.
Them just go there here now before you go see.
Some
Then the money drop inside them
$200,000.
account.
Simple.
But them go there here, then offer account, they say, oh, 150 is too small.
It's too small.
Meanwhile, them too,
Collect.
they don't get money.
Ghanaian clubs, they like they do those things. So you they don't commit this move.
Straight away.
That be all.
I don't call me himself.
Gingering.
Charlie, by your money,
Finish.
he they pay me. I mean, I like the fact say he they get chance go greener pastures, go show what he go fi do. But Charlie, the things he do for the Ghana Premier League inside, the small time he did. That he scores some goal where I say
For Bochum Chelsea.
Picasso land for one league inside.
Give them Sulia inside out. Charlie.
No, he
The
be
guy
serious.
dey play.
That guy
Like,
be-
he be,
baller.
you see, if you look at him from Ghana Premier League point of view, we lose great player. We lose somebody where it dey make the league interesting. Because if you watch the league where they cancel 2019-2020, more boys start to watch Inter Allies because they just want to see Adebayo show. Where that be the kind things where we dey preach every time. You forget star for league inside where people attract people make them can't watch. Where from a Ghana Premier League point of view, we lose out. But you for look in Eric they talk, you for watch Inter Allies them among them, and it was always going to happen. They were always going to sell this guy. There be something where it was written down from the beginning. The kind of talent he gets, they no go feel make his city then go lose out on the money, then go feel make on him from him. So it makes sense from that point of view. But you see, this one they come back to the Ghana Premier League again. By all means, we for find another superstar. You watch the last season in Premier League.
Yeah.
It will be impair. We see some individuals for the different teams inside. You see then it take the narrative away from just Hearts or Kotoko, say Hearts and Kotoko. We watch Yahya Mohammed, they do in wonders, they score week in, week out. Everybody wants to see, they say, they win how many goals Yahya Mohammed scored. These kind of things, all they bring excitement into the league. So,
That be true.
Charlie, of course, we lose great player, but more squad day the league inside. Look at Justice Blake. Even the fact say he left Kotoko, go back to Media
Justice Blake, what are you want to talk right now?
It make the upcoming Premier League the B, because we also say he be somebody who hold Kotoko
man.
last season, right now he left. These things or these small.
Charlie, about Justice Blade, they say they abduct him. Charlie, way in clubs say they try use kangaroo tactics. You know kangaroo
If
tactics.
you don't pay the money, you know go get it.
When you see them, as I see kangaroo tactics, we are know who writes that.
You know what?
Report. They say some club,
The
they say
tilapia of Ghana
they tell them say can't pay 50,000 for Justice Blade. Where the club, they say the whole Ghana every day they get money.
Yeah.
But right now, no, they say pay the money, no, it ten matter. So
They do
right now
lots.
they say they for do crowdfunding. Charlie, they get some name before.
You be mad.
Charlie, they say everybody for drop some for inside one city.
Charlie, one city,
one Ghana. Make
Send
it
Momo,
by the player.
Then for lunch, Momo cook.
Right now, they know if you find them a player again. Charlie, who can be all these things? You will go come to that matter. But my people, I beg you, for display the text and WhatsApp number for me, make my people get chance text into the show. Ide your screenshot 0550-585-832, 0550-585-832. Charlie, football made in Ghana. Make we move on to another guy way to do on the move. Charlie, this guy, when I dey talking matter, then I sad. I don't know. It did do me like no, me. I go tell you, mama. It did do me like they balai man. I don't know if it be medicine or what. This guy always the play ball. You go see say you go watch his stats. 10 goals, 10 assists, 10 goals, this assist. He go qualify in team go Premier League. The moment they reach Premier League level, no, then the team go bomb. Then they go talk say bye bye. They go play Premier League. Go find championship team play again. It happened twice. This time again. Ghana's own Albert Adoma. Kwesi appear in Darling Boy Albert Adoma. Right now, if you go Queen's Park Rangers, when Albert Adoma, we say he grew up, then if they see Queen's Park Rangers, them a pitch from where they in house day. So every day they walk by the place, say, no, I for play for this team.
This style there, we always the hero.
So why footballers they do that?
We always the hero.
Everybody talks say,
when I had it was a dream come true.
yeah. So let me start with you on that one. But what's up with this move? I mean, it be better move for your man because as QPR left the Premier League, it be like them a hype dice more. They sack coaches. Since not so that they be like that.
Charlie, you watch me the time I give up on Adoma featuring for Premier League inside the last season. The time Aston Villa come. He play ball for the championship inside. He play one of the marquee players. When they come out and say, Charlie, my brother, go back here. Where you go, Nottingham Forest. So that when I see Charlie, the matter there finish. Because honestly speaking, that be the time waiting for camp. 31-year-old, that be like a year ago. That be the time waiting for. If you just go come play one season safe, then go back and fight. But he did there, right now, Charlie. The contract end for Nottingham Forest. They make it go. He did on free transfer. When he did, nobody signed a man till last day. So if for sure he say like, he reaching peak, 32-year-old. Nobody they can't spend big money on him. Nobody they can collect and make he can't do anything. Right now, it be how he go improve the team or how he go help them plus his experience where he gather over the years. When he become experience for championship inside, Massa, the guy he gets some. He play
when you see
he understand the man.
Yeah, when you see Adoma, you don't go talk to a reaching people. Eric, but what be your mind? Like, why Adoma always teams they drop him as they reach Premier League status? I know the bab.
I want to the same logic where you get it. It makes sense. You see that thing? The Middlesbrough, Charlie, they can't goals where you score bring Middlesbrough. Oh. No, then your man go back, go join Villa. Villa do play. You know they say they top bench too. They play.
Double
you catch him for the wings. They score important goals.
Charlie.
Then Villa qualify. Then before we go see, your man go down again. Yeah, they call him the championship can come.
Charlie, they say your man, and they say your man. They say in the championship he won't die for.
You know the championship. The money, plenty. The difference plenty. Yeah. Some of the championship teams they pay some of them are players better than some of the Premier League.
No, be true.
So I should say they comfortable. Yeah. You see, I should say be one of those guys where they like pressure.
Just one play.
One make you bring in the Premier League pressure can give up.
They can't worry.
But you see, it be expert to him qualifying team. I think QPR they lead the championship team.
They look sharp.
They will come.
It be like
they go
return go back again.
But it be like we do some prayer and fasting. Like that kind of prayer and fasting way. If the subject matter self no wants the desired outcome, we will pray say the desired outcome will happen for him. Because
to make it play at least one season.
Just one.
Make just can't walk the grass
because your man tired. But see right now, the guy of the moment be Thomas Third Party. Charlie, I did that Monday where I say, me I do my news finish way, everything they cool. Where I say, make I just enter my internet inside, see what I go on for them. Charlie, I say, the people they play, Romano, David Ornstein, they say, hey, somebody left Spain. Somebody say he no left Spain. Somebody say your man no go Black Stars camp for Turkey because he won't go Atletico. They start the move already. Charlie plenty talk. But I mean, then the way they move dead like almost 20 days or so, then it makes some way for me. Charlie, make we go here, no? They say Charlie party people reach the La Liga office way. They say, hey, so 45 million pounds Nimu. Release the player. No? Well, see, they get some. They say party agents we saw you the talk. Release the player. No? The 45 pounds. No. They don't tell Atletico anything. They say, Fasicano bra. So they take their money away. They activate the transfer. Everything they happen with. We see, as we see now, Charlie, before deadline, the 10 far. The matter they find him is they say Atletico vex. Hey, they say the vex party where they sound vex. As now say, Charlie, we figure say we and you be cool.
We're brothers, man.
But we and you no be cool. Why you go activate when a player in release clause where you not go make anybody go hear about that? Charlie, why you do that? So right now we for make the player go away right now. Thomas said, be like if I say some awkward goodbye Charlie. And things like that. But the actually they wear the Thomas jersey there. They say your man signed 4-year contract. Where they speculate. We don't know for a fact, but the speculation is say Charlie the money heavy between 200,000 to 250,000 pounds a week.
See, as for the money, they are heavy. If you compare them to what they collect for Atletico inside,
like Atletico, then they play with Thomas in life.
Then they play plus some. You see me, the people then they talk say that narrative say then try for one, then keep why you go
8 years old.
8 years. If you see the money they collect for Atletico compared to the other star players for them, it be insult. When my point is, say, if you tell me say you the value player for this modern day football inside, as at 2018 when you give them contract, then you go set release clause at 45 million. It means say they see the player. If he was that important to them, then go shoot this thing go above 80 million euros. Yeah. This day and age inside, where La Liga be mandatory say every contract get release clause. Then you the see player, you say it be important, then you set them at 45 million pounds. Then me say Charlie, you know the value the player. Where right now then see say Charlie the matter can chop hot, then can't put contract for in front since April. That be when I know say the thing it go happen.
Yeah.
Because if the guy won't stay, he will sign that contract.
Yeah, be true.
I know say somebody give us some assurance for some way, say this thing we will activate them. So you just dey cool. Make you no sign the thing, just dey cool. But then Charlie, the film started die, of course. You hear the stories, they go around Arsenal. I be like, Arsenal can get some new targets than they want. We all see say, Charlie, sometimes this thing no go happen. Wait Friday, they can't talk say they might move for a while, no, it no go happen. Talk that thing no, I say, oh damn man. Damn man, Thomas is coming home.
Charlie,
Thomas is coming home.
He pick fire.
The Sunday church, I go first service and second service. Hey, I go the two.
The what you want to see.
I go first service, I go second service. I also go Bible study. The youth service, I left. I go. See,
then what you want to see?
The guy for come home. You see, then I dey make this point say, it not be say Atletico be bad team. But the platform for Premier League inside there,
it be different level.
Unmatched.
It be different level.
Bro,
Tariq Lamptey they play Brighton, they collect plenty hype.
Say something.
Black Star, they chase
Them. Monday, from Monday, today be Wednesday. From Monday to Wednesday. In fact, if you be Ghanaian, when you wake up on deadline day, when you open your BBC, you open your Sky, you open your ESPN, you open your CNN. When every website you go open, it be Thomas in face, it know they be you. That be proper coverage. Just say of it, they say they come ask.
You know play ball self.
You know tax the ball self. Say it they come. You know say up to now reports they come out say the money where them pay for am no. They sell the jerseys and he left small. He go
no,
pass
me,
the 50
if they measure the kind of hype with the day around the deal, I not go shop.
Charlie, you see. This is the things where the Premier League they give. You know, we say Atletico be bad. If you watch the pedigree of Arsenal,
no, you yourself.
Ask
yourself, say when the 8 years old Thomas play Atletico, when was the last time you see somebody they wear Thomas Atletico jersey?
Nobody.
Unless the ones where he the brain can't give him popularity in family members.
Medase.
No.
If Thomas not give you Atletico jersey, you know they go find Thomas jersey for anyway.
The matter be big. When you see. This thing, migration in time. That when we see say this kind buzz around Ghanaian transfer, or say African transfer, heat up like that.
Yeah, man.
Migration and Didier Drogba.
Yeah.
Sometimes, okay, we say in recent time, maybe Aubameyang. But even Salah no carry this kind of
Aubameyang,
Salah no carry this.
Aubameyang, they come Arsenal self. Everybody know the big player. But they don't be giddy like this one.
It
get hype like this.
It not be giddy like this one. This one drop. See, I will tell you something. In 3 minutes, as Arsenal announced the deal for Twitter, 30,000 retweets in 3 minutes. Me say people they hold 30,000 people they hold them on phone.
Did you check Partey's Twitter account? In Twitter account move, the day them sign the deal, where the deal go through, the guy gets over 4,000 followers
that day
within 2 hours on Twitter.
Tell the Arsenal fan TV, they do something they funny me. It be like then they Photoshop Partey enter the majesties or like over 2 weeks before he signed the deal. So then every day they go come them at Twitter top and come talk say Charlie he go come and Charlie with the way to Charlie but Partey no they come. Charlie when the party go happen.
You see, Ben, another thing we then are they talking. Ghana when we unveil on a jersey earlier this week.
Yeah man.
Yeah, the GFA they try. Then do. Partey sign on ESPN post the jersey plus Partey. They say, oh, Ghana jersey they be oh. So in the time is in the past 2 days, they don't see. No, it be Partey. It be Partey. That be the kind of exposure they give we. With the bag. See the unveiling video self they use for the
make you not talk plenty. Make we watch the unveiling video. When we come back, I go take Eric and thoughts on Partey. So make we watch that Partey unveiling video for Arsenal as he signed the contract. As they announced the signing finish. When I come back, we go ask about what Arsenal go benefit from this Partey sign or what Partey go bring to this Arsenal team. Yeah, Charlie, very simple. They just do some, they just mix some in pictures. They don't want to put plenty highlights because they go cost the other teams them a hat.
No, like
you don't want to do giddy like then sliding tackle Partey long shots. No, they for no do so. Don't cut any hat. Charlie, right now with your man come, I hear people they talk plenty things. They say he be the new Patrick Vieira. They say he be the new this guy. He be this. He be that. How you see Partey and how he go enter into this Arsenal team and will roll you the see say he go fit play for them.
Charlie Partey move, he be perfect fit for Arsenal.
Hey,
you see Arsenal them a style of player. Them they need that person way go fit bring that stability for them at midfield. Ceballos they try, but in level no catch there.
No, you know rich.
You understand?
Ceballos
You know rich. You small boys. You know rich. You need somebody like Partey way. He go see say 2-3 people they come on now. Where he be very calm, cool and collected. You know the rush make he pass the ball. when he want do am simple, he go do am simple.
Charlie, they say right now more gracias for the pitch stop because Partey they speak Spanish. Arteta Day, Bellerin Day, Ceballos Day. So muchos gracias for the pitch stop. Charlie, so gracias for the pitch stop.
No, but on a more serious note, for me as a Spurs fan, this be one move way.
Oh, I forget.
Then I know one make it happen. But on a more serious note, as a Ghanaian, and looking at the football business, it be one move where I make happy because, Charlie, you compare 30,000 euro a month at Atletico.
Hey,
you don't say them are starting 11, but it be the lowest earner for Atletico.
That is criminal.
It be the lowest. You see, when they talk, say sometimes racism, people know they understand.
This be the Black Lives Matter, no?
Because for that ATM, them are starting 11, but they be the lowest earner. From 30,000 euro, make we even peg the figure for 200. If it be 250, that'd be cool. But make we peg them for 200. The 200 will be 1 week.
1 week. Just 1 week.
The 30,000
so the whole month, it will be 800K.
Hey.
Look, after 2 years, Partey, if you loan Ghana money.
No, you know they lie.
But we did hear parliamentary 275 parliamentarians. They will go sit there and approve 5 million euro loans. We know they see.
If they know it happen.
Partey go feel loan we money after 2 years. He go loan we money free.
You know they lie. See that where that 30,000 set for Atletico, it be before taxes. So
you see you.
Charlie, Atletico really do your money.
It be cruel treatment. When the guy comes, he say, "The agent be smart guy." The time where them start to do the Premier League move, then you see say, Charlie, if for bargain for more, give the guy. So as them bring the contract, them reject the contract.
Yeah.
But now Arsenal too, they make them a body like them they go chase another player. Them see say no go be. Them see say them start the league very well. If they want to be in contention,
don't forget
them for bring Partey. But 45 million. It be cheap.
You know me money.
It be cheap.
You know me money.
But we see players that your standing fridge where they United are back there.
The Panasonic
80 million. The Tikopor TV. 80 million.
The same way I'm captain's armband.
You see that thing?
A shock.
So the English 45K.
I saw say Arteta money. They laugh. I saw say they tell everybody say
no,
hey,
Partey be
this people sell this guy for me 45 million.
Check say like Partey be English player. And they tell you say like the next clause will be like 150 million.
A cool.
And see Jadon Sancho. How much? Them one buyer.
It be fact.
Because he be English.
How much top flight football he plays safe? When they want to sell
150 million. Comparison self between Jadon Sancho and this boy where he come out City go buying
Sani.
Leroy Sani. Put the two of them together, make we do comparison, make we do stats. Sani be better player past Sancho any day. But how much self-buying they pay for Sancho?
That be true.
But see, from Dortmund back to England, because he be English boy, them they ask for 120. So like Partey be English, to be honest, in release clause go there around 150 million.
Straight.
But it be good deal for Ghana because see, one thing the Premier League they guarantee you be say, you will get visibility.
Hey.
Plenty people they Asia where them no see Partey self before. True. Them go only watch Partey when Atletico they play against Barca or Real Madrid.
That be true.
But right for the Premier League, he go play against Chelsea. He go play North London Derby against Spurs. He go play United. He go.
In first Man City.
If he they play Watford self, he get people where them go watch.
That be true.
Yeah. The euphoria where he grab Essien in signing from Lyon to Chelsea. But what we go see say go happen. Plenty Ghanaians go join Arsenal. Then support.
Some people start.
Second Partey.
Some people start.
Those way them be neutrals way they know should I get team like some of us way would be hardcore fans. Them go join. Them go buy the jersey.
What I want to
say yesterday, them order for about 25,000 of number 18. Wow. Thomas jersey.
With the bab.
25,000. That be the other way the Arsenal stores receive with them for deliver.
Hey.
Paid for.
You know,
we don't do football here. With a joke.
25,000.
With a joke when Kotoko bring strike jerseys, they no go fit even sell 50,000. House of folk bring this Umbro jersey. It be about 6,500 or so. Some still did the secretariat.
True.
Hey. One of the biggest clubs. They no go fit sell 6,000.
When somebody sell out 25,000.
Them sign player Friday up to yesterday.
One player in shape.
Tuesday. 25,000 copies of the jersey. People buy where them pay.
Paid for.
Them they wait, make the stores just deliver.
No, he be serious guy.
With a joke, man.
He be serious guy. Make I read a few of your messages if they come through. Then we go see if we go fit take some small break. This one be from Kobe Ron. He say, boss, where cataclysmic fence day? Your man there, he get some Momo money go chase. So he say, make we give him a few days. If I go follow some dough, so I go give him your message. He say, Righty, Atletico get them a money. We Arsenal to get them a man. Who be we now on our own? Are they plea plus all the United fans? Then you will never walk alone, faithfuls. It be now weigh them for wipe them at tears, then join. So say we go party plus the party man. I see you from Cape Coast. This one say. Cranston, you be Man U fan, now you be Arsenal fan. That be Frederick from Dakoma. This one be Bohan Eric from Takwa Dumpim. I say when a Black Stars kits the B for party move, it be good move. He go make him 100%. My prayer be that. Charlie, see some name. Different devil.
Oh, Charlie.
For assignment.
Oh, Charlie.
Charlie, this devil, they be like they wear wig. He say I be Man United fan, but today I know Bob Cry say Daniel wear Arsenal jersey. It be party after party. No, this one to say the application forms to be an Arsenal fan are available now. We will not receive any new members from October. Gunners for life. No, the form, because when you want back, it be me I sell the form. So you just for link me. Then I will register you into the base. We will give you special Thomas Partey membership card.
Oh, Charlie.
So it be me they run the business.
But
so,
Arsenal Ghana be one of the most well organized
No, they sport there
in the world.
They sport there. In fact, the Ghanaian fan bases for Premier League teams be the most organized. Your own space. Charlie, the way people they feel mobilized, they go some side, do some jams, do some. No, Charlie, you people be heavy. This one here. The talks on different matter. He say, Charlie, please, I love watching football made in Ghana. That be Kenneth from Community 25. Charlie, we will love all the people for Community 25. This one be from Ben Ofori for Sapema. They say, good luck party, but nah, like if I come Chelsea. Somebody to say City TV, and they love the show. Domingo for Pando, where Anaba Mateus for Garu say the jersey matter no be anything. What matter be say the Black Stars go perform well. Jersey no they play ball by himself. As for party matter there, we now love chow pass see water safe. Hey Charlie, they say they love your man pass see water safe.
Oh, Charlie,
actually they love your man. They be like for do some small party. But you know, Doneo said then in music career do some way. He do some way. As Partey signed the contract finish way, he said no. Partey signed the opportunity for me musician. I for sport there. I for take resurrect myself. So I see your man buy one home jersey, one away jersey.
Charlie,
you know we play where he play. He do some small remix for Partey. We go take the remix, then we go just merge into the first break. When we come back, then the time the party deal they happen, the FA sneak technical director put one nose under. We go talk that matter. Enjoy the Doneo track.
It's Arsenal and Thomas Partey. Lord mercy. Doneo. Thomas Partey, party, hard. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Thomas Partey, party, hard. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water. Let them things there burn. Let them burn. Let them things them burn. Long mercy. And again, party hard. You know we have a party hard. Party hard. You know we have a party hard. Party hard. You know we have a party hard. Party hard. You know we have a party hard.
Arsenal fans, I know we never got the transfer done within the hour, but it's party time. Oh, party! Party, party! Arsenal! Oh, party! Party, party! Arsenal! Oh, party! Party, party!
Hey! Now oh party.
What you talk for there?
I don't even hear what you talk.
Arsenal.
No, you forgive me again.
Hey. Arsenal fans, I know we never got the transfer done within the hour, but it's party time. Oh, party! Party, party! Listen. Oh, party! Party, party! Listen. Oh, party! Party!
Charlie, that be too much happiness. Charlie, let's see what they do, the guy.
Oh, Charlie.
Oh, party.
Hold Ghana flag outside the Emirates.
Charlie, everybody in Claymore. Pato Rankin said, throw some screenshots. Say, hey, if it me start this deal,
Yeah, start them.
I tell your man say if you join me. So, you know what is beat me about the screenshots? As he tell Party say if you join us now, he say, bro, thank you. You don't talk anything. No. Too professional. You know what give anything now. He say, bro,
Thomas.
thank you. We end the matter for them.
But you see, on transfer deadline, that be the biggest signing will happen.
Biggest.
When be
biggest.
the last time you the Kai say Ghanaian be the biggest transfer
No,
deadline?
the Asian. Even Asian won't know be deadline.
Yeah.
Apart from the Asian transfer that gathered a lot of euphoria, this is the biggest.
yeah.
And it happened on deadline day.
In fact, still
Where you say people no expect. Everybody knows say the deal be off.
In fact, if we dey talk true self, the Asian deal, then the euphoria not big like this.
Yeah.
But then the move itself big way, then the performances.
You say then to them
but this
Twitter,
one,
then
yeah, those things no said that day.
No
this time,
day. But this time, the
Yes.
social media thing.
Feel them for
Charlie,
everywhere.
what is the monitor? The transfer deadline. It be the biggest. Transfer news.
But as we dey talk party matter, it be like right now, if he be the guy where he land for camp today. And now your man land for camp.
He go do show self.
Alex
go flow.
Charlie Alexander Jiku and guys, Charlie the land. Wait, right now, no me my worry be say Charlie, CK in congratulations go be awkward because right now you say Charlie the man for not go as so I don't know how you go do it. Charlie, congrats.
Oh, but it be normal.
How you go congratulate your guy?
It be normal.
I mean, guys, they
don't mean any harm.
no guys.
Everybody
They
get them out,
you
please,
see,
actually.
then if you watch CK very well, CK play. He play for Europe. He
Yeah,
play
man.
for Wolfsburg. Be the first black guy to captain Wolfsburg.
yeah.
You know, so then it just they tell them say you dey get visibility with Atletico for the Champions League. Arsenal know they play in the Champions League. Then my best go be the Europa League. So in terms of footballing wise, it will be best say you go stay for Spain. At least stay there, then play. This be the advice way they give. But you know be say they tell and say make you don't go Arsenal because Arsenal be bad team.
No.
Then that can't turn. But of course, it be the money. The guy chop 27. He dey go get
he did
200,000 or 250,000 K. I sure say if the CK in Brussels, CK go sanction the move. You see that thing. So make the Arsenal fans relax, give CK. As you say, boys want kill him for Twitter. No, make them relax. Make
Why
them
you talk
relax.
say the guy for no come on?
Make them relax.
But we talk about the Ghana Mali game, Ghana Qatar game. They come up. Guys arrive in small bits. Come make the camp right now. They do them a first training yesterday. So like you see for your screen, so the day Antalya right now. Antalya, yeah, that's where the action they happen for Turkey. So they do them a warm up. They go through them a paces and since they go play Mali on Friday. So they gear up for that game. They say that game be 5 p.m. Ghana time. So for the people where they go like stream or something, that be the time you go look out for this game. 5 p.m. Ghana time. Charlie, more new boys they in the mix. The Alexander Jiku guy they in the mix. Eugene and Science. Charlie, Eric, I don't get your opinion on all the new guys. They come like CK Akono in first friendly matches. They come up preparation. Then I go like make we talk Kudus Mohammed in matter because that be where they use all day. GFA say they invite Kudus. Ajax say Kudus heads Thursday. So you know if he come. GFA say, hey, you for not take that and come. Right now, the guy join your team. Don't start this thing. Bring Kudus.
No, they invite them in their capacity as what?
Oh, they say your doctors watch them. So which will for certify.
Their contract plus GFA.
That be them.
No, Charlie, some of the
They
things
say they demand the release.
make them stop that thing. You know they hear it be unnecessary tension.
You be friendly to
Ajax fit decide say the boy no go play give Ghana. Nobody go do anything. It be Ajax they pay the boy to play for Ghana. It be secondary option. The guy in primary duty is signed from Norgerland. Them pay 9 million. Give Norgerland. Carry him go Ajax. It be Ajax. It apply in trade. If the team doctor say the boy hurt, he hurt.
They say
It be end of case.
the matter
he hurt.
self. They say oh CK say your man for fit come through, come listen tactical instructions, come feel the atmosphere of the team.
That be okay.
Sometimes you know go get this chance
that be
again.
okay. If you say make it come around, then come mingle plus the guys, at least make it get to know the new boys where they come, because subsequently then we then Sudan go play qualifier. Then at least you go fit first hand, you go get to know some of the boys. That'd be cool. But make attempts say make it come. Then you get medical team. No. Make we be true. Make we be sincere. Ghana medical team. You they take compare Ajax them and medical team.
Why you do that?
No, it be joke. People dey Amsterdam, where them get access to first class facilities. You dey here with Kolebu and what, and you they come, they talk, somebody say make it come, then you go access up. How will joke be this? I beg, my people make them relax.
That matter.
Eric
with me.
Well, you see, whether it be true say hurt or not be true say hurt, you see, it be very important player for Ajax. Where you know we sit out 90 minutes of them a game in the past.
You don't play the last game.
You don't play the last game.
They lose against Groningen.
If he really be fit, he go play that game.
They say COVID-19, they worry. They say your man go come back, come quarantine.
You see, so these things people understand the club. The added thing to be say, it be friendly. You know, we say qualify, you know, the competitive game. So them go look at the thing and talk, say no, you don't really need. But from CK point of view too, of course, this be first time. Oku say the first time he can't play, COVID camp. COVID camp. He name is squad COVID camp. So the first time he really they get chance plus the boys, they talk to them, they assess them, then things. This is the first time they come manage this team. So you go feel understand them, say, of course, I'm not saying you no go play, you no make fit. But come around, make we discuss. Like make I pick your mind, make you to pick my mind, make I see how we go use each other then things. Because it's very important. If you watch how CK play for Ghana the last time, they feel them as a forward. Yeah. For Ajax, they play DM. So all these things you for fit to understand the player, assess the other teammates, make you see how you go work plus. So you the bab CK, but on a level. In Eric they talk, make Ghana no do am giddy. They don't for do this thing.
They don't get right. They don't get right.
If you qualify, you go feel maybe you go feel.
Now the FIFA same go feel stepping.
FIFA same go feel stepping.
But this
one be friendly game on a level. So what if he come back where they talk? The quarantine. No, times change.
Because he try settle down because it be new team.
Times change. Then even the decision to play this match in Turkey, it be sake of COVID reasons. Turkey be COVID friendly. This thing give more of the teams for Europe. So if Ajax they talk say if he come back now for go quarantine. What if he come back, he make fit? That'll be an extra 2 weeks when they miss out. They won't need them. So all these things, Charlie, therefore take things into consideration. Not be any giddy thing. But if you watch the players have then they camp inside. This be it be good squad, of course. Some big names they miss out on this team. But CK get good opportunity. You go if you watch at least 60-65% of these players, they look like they go the next squad inside for November inside. Where Charlie, CK really for using best. Me, I know they take this thing, say it just be friendly. Because on a level, you know, coach these people before. You won't get very, very good knowledge of them for these two friendlies inside before we go face Sudan. Right now, no team be joke. Team be joke for this world inside. Everybody they feel score everybody.
You will be the joke when you think a team is a joke.
So you really for make prepared if they can't face Sudan. Where Kai say be double header, we play them for here, we go them and they back anything will happen. Where everybody wants start good. We forgo give them collect 1 and 6 points then. No say Charlie. We did in a comfortable position. So Charlie, CK, I wish I'm all the best. You watch David Duncan. This be very experienced hand where he gets for in number 2. Charlie. So on a level like, of course, some of the big players they miss out, but this team is more than capable of taking on Mali and Qatar.
Make we hear from Baba Idris. That be one of the new guys where he did the team inside. He played one game. He played in debut against South Africa some time ago. Right now, it will join the team. Charlie, they speak really well. They talk about his experience. He and Lawrence Atizigi, they come back into the team. Make we hear what they get talk. So Baba Idris will be that. Charlie. Eric, who you they look forward to watching for this Black Star setup inside? Like what you want to see from this setup and this Mali and Qatar friendlies generally?
I want to see. I know they want the situation where CK can behave like Avram and all those other managers. Them go call players, then come put them for bench. If you get balls where you call player from Azam, player. Because this be the only time
that be true.
All of us go fi assess the player. They know whether the player it be some bro in business or it be say it be Ghanaian way genuinely it go fi play for the Black Stars. If it be possible say the guy no get opportunity make it go Europe. If be Azam he go land. If it be super player from Azam.
It be true.
Give them the chance.
Make it play.
Make everybody see. You know, be only you, the coach, and your technical team. Ghanaians, they watch. If the player is good, all of us go see say the player, he no play. He just be say, he no get the opportunity, make it go the Ajax or any of the European teams. Baby, Azam, you go come out. That be fine. But make you no come call Eugene Ansa. I want to see that boy. Give him the chance, make it play.
Because guys, they doubt
Charlie, the way guys they talk about the boy, and they want to make the boy come prove something.
Make it prove
then everybody go see say true the coach, you know what he do. So make Andrea, you Jordan them, we know them already.
You're true.
We know them. If we go Mali score with 3, 4, it be okay. So say make we know say some players they where people know call them at least boys go shut up small.
Yeah.
They know will come, they make noise, go worry one ears.
That'll be true.
Give them the opportunity, make them play. It be friendly game. It no be qualifier. There are no points at stake. It be preparation. So them come with them no fit player. Tomorrow when we don't call them, everybody go shut up. You see that thing? So make call the new players and come put them
Waste
for the
everybody
bench.
in time.
Then Andrea, you, Jordan and you, the usual suspects where we all know. We see them we tire. Because we for prepare for them exit.
Yeah.
That be the truth.
That be true.
Andrea is past 30. Jordan is 29.
True.
We for they prepare for these guys, them are exit. In the next 3-4 years, them no good day. We for start the plan. And how we go plan? This be the time we all these new players they bring. Play them against Qatar. Play them against Mali. Make we see what them they bring. Then at least, say maybe some players no fit come for the game. In the absence of player A, say you get B as an option. So say when they come play Sudan, at least you get fair idea of what you they bring. But one thing where they shock me, before the very first time in so many years, when they go play friendly match, then we the foot the bill. A shock.
Yeah. It means that nobody wants to play with we with that.
No, if nobody want play with we they inside COVID.
By for save the money.
Charlie, to be honest, clubs they cry. Small COVID money come, you carry the go play Black Stars match.
That be the truth.
Charlie. We all day here, we see the way the clubs they cry, they fight. Add some of the money, give we. Add some of the money. So if you know girlfriend, me I know sure say match agent. Qatar. You should say Qatar one play Ghana, they no go pay.
That be the truth.
Qatar one play Ghana, but who want play ball plus Qatar? Them no ball play. Nobody go play them. You check like Ghana. No, you check like Ghana. You go
what
call.
Talk with you?
No, you check like Ghana. You go call Brazil match.
Yeah.
Brazil, you don't want play self. So if you no get agent where you go fix the game, where you go pay the bills, Brazil they no go come.
They don't go mind you.
They don't go mind you because you know being
they go ask you for insurance for them players and things.
So who be Qatar? Where we would they go play plus Qatar? Qatar with all them are plenty money. Them go foot them a bill. Make we will foot one our own bill. Charlie, if you for set up some of these things there, no.
Very serious point.
No.
As we they talk about the FA and how they for set up, they be slime because as I they talk earlier, the time we they jubilate over the party moving away, Charlie, they say some Bernard Lepet's guy come 10 on a technical director. Oyibo come 10 on a technical director. This matter, Charlie, people try fight over this matter for close to 4 months. They no one release who be the technical director. They say 100 people shortlist, over 50 experts where they did a list inside. We right now they bring them down. They say Charlie, your man, it be Eintracht Frankfurt coach from 94 to 95. We Charlie coach Azerbaijan them are under 17, under 15, under 19. It sounds to be youth coach on some plenty levels for them. So for them, no. Your man rich.
The first German coach to scout a Chinese player to play in the Bundesliga.
That be achievement.
Charlie, they inside the achievement.
Charlie, you be wicked guy. Charlie, DJ.
Charlie for respect.
Charlie, what's up? They say, Charlie, they say, then Prof Minta wants the job. And the guy say, we interview Prof Minta for Pram the Congress time. We say, he overqualified for the job. They make him head of what?
You say
head of coaching education.
Head of coaching education.
Hey,
see,
if you stop these things,
this kind of things. Before you go announce the person, you go come talk, say they search the most competent person. Competent. Then you bring somebody in CV check like so.
He be scout.
He manage Azerbaijan. So what? This began
They
now.
play ball for them.
Azerbaijan, they
Drain oil.
not get any football pedigree. They not get any football pedigree.
Azerbaijan way it be like the Euro 2018 qualifiers. So then score them and first goal for this thing qualifier. The way they run the way they carry the time Tahiti go play when they score one goal, then they lead them
They check like them win the Confederations Cup.
The same thing as Azerbaijan they do. You see, we for respect on our body. If it be so you go do, then give one of on our own. Make take learn on the job. Say if you like they say you qualify,
More
you know, so that
guys qualify past this level.
Professor Mental.
Charlie, this thing really makes sense.
Professor Mental in CV down.
They say it'll be head of coaching
Azerbaijan
education.
under 15, under 17. So what?
Eintracht Frankfurt self. Check the CV. Them day Bundesliga too.
Yeah.
It be like first division for Germany.
We go coach.
Where a coach.
That was
head
definitely
coach.
1 year.
The time them qualify come
Them
play
come
the
out.
Bundesliga, then he be assistant coach.
Yep.
So in highest coaching job, be assistant coach in Eintracht Frankfurt. How?
They said that can decorate the Eintracht Frankfurt. Like, if I take these things put into context, this thing
Yeah,
would
man.
make sense to me. On a level, like, are they?
They load them with they say the first German to scout a Chinese player to play
Play the
Bundesliga.
Bundesliga.
Why would they do this? Eric, Charlie, what's on your mind?
Me, to be honest, color no the matter give me.
Yeah,
Because if you watch carefully, all the countries where them they develop them a football, them get proper technical directorate.
Yeah.
True.
And some of us, we advocate make them set up the technical directorate. We'll get technical director, only one person. They do everything. Them bedding the man out. Like the job self go kill him.
Yeah. Tire.
Because he be only one man. He no go fit do anything.
Right report.
Them go
Send
fit
this,
appoint
go
national
scout
team
this.
coach self. Wait, no.
No. Charlie.
You see
How
that
did they
thing?
do this?
So with the advocate, make them bring the technical director, then set up directorate, carry the team go pram, resource the place, give them people where you go work plus them. You tell we say you they look for the most competent person. I know they care if you be white man. But if the man they come, when you yourself you watch in CV, when you see say Charlie, this CV, the way the CV self they speak volumes.
The CV it be packaging.
But somebody Azerbaijan self, you know be say it be them a senior team.
Nope.
Them are juvenile teams.
Under 20.
The first man to qualify Azerbaijan, them under 21 into Euros. What is this? What is this? This one be qualification. The first coach to scout a Chinese player to play in the Bundesliga. This one is the achievement. Come on, please. Oh, if we do, but see, what them they do, right now, they make Professor Menta in charge of coaching education. It means
That was if you what? That was
it
the
means
what?
directly they shift all the job, come give Professor Menta.
Yeah.
I don't know what this
Where
man
your man
they
go?
come do.
They go, they fly
I
around.
don't know what they come
They do the
to be
fanciful
honest.
stuff.
They
I
can't
vex, I bore because truth be told, this white man, he no get pedigree, he no go fit be Ghana technical director. That be the truth.
Charlie,
No, it hurts.
Charlie,
but-
your man talk all the matter finish. The way the
no
matter
go
they, we
fit.
will not go fit go inside. But me, I go be the first guy way. I go scout Nepalese player enter the Premier League inside. No, make the guys they laugh like they play. Daniel, thank you very much. Eric, thank you very much. But if it's something we like they take seriously, I go scout player from Nepal, make it enter Premier League. Football made in Ghana, City TV, same time next week. If you here, now you go open for day inside.
Arsenal fans, I know we never got the transfer done within the hour, but it's party time. Oh, party! Party, party! Arsenal! Oh, party! Party, party! Arsenal! Oh, party! Party, party! Oh, party! Arsenal fans, I know we never got the transfer done within the hour, but it's party time. Oh, party! Party, party! Arsenal! Oh, party! Party, party! Arsenal! Oh, party! Party, party!